This is a little exercise I've given myself in gear cutting using my rotary table dividing head. I'm making a sacrificial gear out of Delrin. The gear has about 62 teeth and I've sharpened a high speed tool to fit in the sample gear tooth form. This is the gear that I'm cutting that I need. It's not on a proper, it's not spot on or proper gear cane, but I think it's good enough for my needs. Right, the formula on my index plate is for a 90:1 ratio using a 31 hole plate. It's 1 hole and 14 turns. So here we go. So it's 1 full turn and 14 holes. I'll start the milling cutter up and set my cutter going. Now you'll see this. I think maybe I've gone about 10 thou too deep. I think it might be alright. Soon find out. And I have got enough to make a few more. This is good practice anyway. So here we go. It's almost finished for the cut, and now I just want to clear the cutter. That should be enough. Stop the cutter. Go back to me dividing head plate. So it's 1 full turn and 14 holes. Set it ready for the next time. Put on the lock and start the cutter again. Really, using Delrin, you need to put a plate or something at the end of it, stop the cutter bursting out, gives this sort of a rough finish at the end. But it's nice stuff to use, this Delrin, and it's pretty strong, and I think it's better than nylon. Hopefully this will do the job. And that's it. That's what I've got to do.